Today we are going to learn how to write the fact families of 10. So, how to make 10. Observe the following table. In this table we have 2 rows and 5 columns. If we count the boxes in the first row, we will find 5 boxes. And if we count the number of boxes in the second row, we will find also 5 boxes. So, the total number of boxes is 10. And now, we have 2 bags. In the first bag, we have red phones. We count the number of phones. We have 10 red phones. In the second bag, we have blue phones. Also, we have 10 blue phones. Now, we will distribute the red phones and the blue phones in the boxes. We're going to distribute the red phones. Look, we didn't distribute the blue phones, so the total number of the red phones is 10, since we have 10 boxes. So we have 10 red phones. So the equation is 10 plus 0 equals 10. So we can say 10 red phones plus 0 blue phones gives us 10. We are going to distribute again the red phones and the blue phones. We distributed the red phones. Look carefully. We didn't put all the red phones. We put only 9 red phones, and we will continue with the blue phones. We put just 1 blue phone, so the equation is 9 plus 1 equals 10. 9 red phones plus 1 blue phone gives us 10. Now, we will distribute 8 red phones. We still have 2 empty boxes. We will fill them with 2 blue phones. So, the equation is 8 plus 2 equals 10. 8 red phones plus 2 blue phones equals 10. Now, we are going to distribute 7 red phones and continue distributing with 3 blue phones. The equation is so easy to write. 7 red phones plus 3 blue phones gives us 10. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. Distribute again. Of course, we're going to distribute 6 red phones, and we are going to continue with 4 blue phones. So the equation is 6 plus 4 equals 10. 6 red phones plus 4 blue phones gives us 10. Now, we are going to distribute 5 red phones, and we're going to continue with 5 blue phones. So the equation is 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 red phones plus 5 blue phones gives us 10. We distributed 4 red phones and continued with blue phones. So there are 6 blue phones. So the equation is 4 plus 6 equals 10. 4 red phones plus 6 blue pawns each gives us 10. We are going to distribute 3 red pawns, and we will continue with the blue pawns. The number is 7. So the equation is 3 plus 7 equals 10. 3 red pawns plus 7 blue pawns gives us 10. 2 red pawns with 8 blue pawns. Of course, the sum is 10. So 2 plus 8 equals 10. 2 red pawns plus 8 blue pawns gives us 10. 1 red pawn, of course, with 9 blue pawns gives us 10. So the equation is 1 plus 9 equals 10. 1 red pawn plus 9 blue pawns gives us 10. And finally, we didn't distribute the red pawns. We only distributed the blue pawns. So it is 10 blue pawns plus 0 red pawns gives us 10. So the equation is 0 plus 10 equals 10. 0 red pawns plus 10 blue pawns gives us 10. We are going to write the fact families of 10 and their inverse. We should memorize them by heart. 10 plus 0 equals 10, and its inverse is 0 plus 10 equals 10. Now 10 plus 0, its inverse is 0 plus 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10, and its inverse 1 plus 9 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10, and its inverse 4 plus 6 equals 10, and finally 5 plus 5 equals 10. So pay attention, kids. You can put the numbers that gives us 10 on your fingers. Now, we can find the fact families of 10 by putting them on your fingers. 10 plus 0 and 0 plus 10 equals 10. 9 plus 1 and 1 plus 9. 8 plus 2, 2 plus 8. 7 plus 3, 3 plus 7. 6 plus 4, 4 plus 6, and finally 5 plus 5. We should memorize the decomposition of 10 by heart.